Well, guys, we took it off. We took this top one off right here, the progress. We took this top control arm off. As you see, I took it off by myself. The bottom one's still in, that has to come out, and we'll do that another day. But I got this top one out by myself because my uncle decided to do this to it with his chisel, air chisel. So because he did this, we have to get a whole new control arm piece. Yep, I said to myself, while he's gone, I'm just gonna take it apart, and that's what I did. As you see by my hands. See, I was hard at work. But I took that piece out right there because of what he did right there. So that's the updated progress.